the palm of my hand there.
I was just thinking, Tash.
Yeah.
Let's get a few more views on this video.
Okay, what are you going to do?
Go above, Leo.
Not too much, doesn't feel like it's
It's
too
good.
invasive.
It's good. It's nice and slow, so it gives me time to receive it.
Yeah, that's it. Hey guys, Tash here from MMT. Got Ninja on the table.
Hello.
Quiet Ninja today.
Yeah.
He's not feeling crash hot, so we're going to help him out. We're just going to hold a few spots, sit on a few areas, get really connected with some joint areas and to the bone, as we like to do. And we're just giving Ninja's body some time and kind of soothing it, relaxing the joint space, the tissues around, just trying to make him feel better, really.
Yeah.
And I think you're right, Ninja. I can feel that heat actually in that area.
Yeah.
I could feel it straight away.
Yeah. The inflammation there.
Yeah, it does feel like that. So when there's inflammation, you actually do get a change in the temperature of the body, of the skin. So when you're palpating as a therapist, it's not only just feeling for muscle tightness and stiffness. You got to remember that you learned that in the early days of study, don't you, Leo? Yeah. Back in the you learn that touch, also temperature, feeling for heat, feeling for cold as well. So that indicates inflammation in that area for Ninja.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna keep holding, keep connected. Don't lose that connection with the body. Change a few angles.
For interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now, thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content, updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just $28 per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go!
Directing more to the midline there, a bit more into the middle of that sacrum, of that SI joint. You feeling okay, Ninja?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Good.
The body just loves to be held, doesn't it? And
Yeah.
no surprises, just know somebody's got your back, literally, and there for you.
Yeah. Got your back.
Yeah.
Nurturing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially if you're not feeling 100%, right?
Yeah.
That's what it needs.
Yeah.
Support, nurture,
Yeah.
caring, just touch.
So important.
Yeah, it's pretty powerful.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so something else that we did on the weekend, us girls, that was pretty powerful and nurturing and good for the soul. That was, we went to Geelong with Nina and Jazz, Grace and Danny and I, and we went and met Karen, who's a power lifter and a trainer, strength trainer. She has her own gym in Geelong, and she showed us her skills. Yeah, all her techniques and how she trains, and explained to us, why she trains, why she does what she does, and her kind of journey through her training and lifting, and she's competed as well, which was really fascinating to hear about. So she's done a lot of competition in powerlifting and in the strong men and women competitions, which one's coming up in October. So I think it'd be so cool to go and watch her. I'm planning to go and watch her. It's in Brunswick, it's in Melbourne, the competition. It'd be so cool to see the men and women doing all that strongman, because you guys saw a bit of the strongman stuff when you were away, right?
Yeah. We saw Coco's gym on the Gold
Yeah,
Coast. It was
yeah.
all strongman stuff, so it was just, no frills. Just moving around heavy things, you know.
Yeah.
The yoke and the big Atlas stone and flipping tyres.
Yeah.
It's all cool, and then they just do the squats and deads as well, but also what's it called? That log. There's a log lift.
yeah.
Lots of heavy sandbags, like a 200-kilo sandbag he's got.
Jeez.
Things like that. So it's just pretty crazy.
Everything's like just a lot heavier.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, heavier than what we've got. Eh?
Yeah. Wow.
So it's a good experience for us to
Yeah.
be in that environment and see this man, how big he was. He's sort of
Will he be doing the competition too?
yeah. He's aiming to get a 1,000-pound deadlift.
What?
In it must be like 4 or 5 weeks now in Brisbane.
Wow.
So he's got a 430 kilo,
Yeah.
and he wants to get 455, and that's 1,000 pounds.
455.
So it's a lot of weight, isn't it?
Wow. Well, we should get a group together for the one in October,
Yeah,
because it's in Melbourne.
Yeah.
We can all go watch.
yeah,
That'd be really cool.
yeah,
Yeah. Hand out some cards, get some clients.
yeah. They need it.
Yeah, exactly. They'd need a lot of deep cleaning, wouldn't they,
Yeah,
for those loads?
yeah,
Yeah. How you feeling here, Ninj?
yeah. I'm good. Is
that all right?
Yeah, I'm cool.
So I've just gone a little bit lower, sitting lower on that. Still sacrum and a little bit of SIJ, but just edging out a little bit, but still got that connection with my pisiform and the palm of my hand there. Not too much, doesn't feel like it's
Nah, it's
too
good.
invasive.
Nah, it's good. It's nice and slow, so it gives me time to receive it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Exactly. So you can see this treatment probably doesn't look like much when you're watching, but you know, if it's what the client needs, if it's what your mate needs at the time, it's nice to be able to just give the body what it requires and not be too invasive at a moment where there's inflammation in the area. Otherwise, you can really stir up the body. It's gonna push back. It's gonna, be a bit unhappy for a while. So there's a time and place for everything, basically.
Oh.
Yeah. So just listen to the body and let it tell you what it wants,
yeah,
and trust in that and connect with it. And you'll always help yourself. You'll always be feeling better, and you'll be helping your client to feel better.
good.
Yeah. So if that's what you think you need, you can always come in and request this kind of treatment. Something a bit more, even more slow and even more targeted. We do it all here at MMT, don't we, Ninj?
Correct.
Yeah. So come in, we'll help you out.
I was just thinking, Tash.
Yeah.
Let's get a few more views on this video.
what are you gonna do?
Go above, Leo. We reckon. What? Done.